everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Avant Credit Card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.avant.com and press enter on your keyboard. In order to get access to your Avant Credit Card account, you'll need to log in, so go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button. In the login area, go ahead and type in your email in the first text box that is associated with your Avant.com account. Now, go to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you don't remember your password, click on Don't Remember Your Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credentials, click the login button in blue and you'll be able to log into your Avant Credit Card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.